Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the missing executable file error on Steam games that won't download or launch. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head to the upper left corner and click on Library. This will display all the games in your Steam collection. In the left panel where all your games are listed, right-click on the game that's giving you trouble. Then select Properties from the menu that appears. This will open up a detailed settings window for that specific game. In the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section manages all the game files stored on your computer. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This feature is incredibly useful because it scans all your game files and compares them against Steam servers to check if anything is corrupted or missing. The verification process might take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just let it run through completely. Next, we're going to adjust some storage settings. In the upper left corner, click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left panel of the Settings window, click on Storage. This section controls where Steam stores your game files. Click the drop-down menu and select the local drive where you saved your game. Once you've selected your drive, click the three dotted lines icon, then select Repair Library. This will scan and fix any issues with your Steam library folder, which often resolves file path problems that cause the missing executable error. Now we need to clear your download cache, as corrupted cache files can interfere with game installations. In the left panel, click on Downloads. Scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache, and right beside it, click Clear Cache. A confirmation window will pop up, so go ahead and click Confirm. This clears out any temporary files that might be causing conflicts with your game downloads. If the game still doesn't work after all these steps, the best solution is to completely uninstall and reinstall it. Head back to the upper left corner and click Library again. In the left panel, right-click on the problematic game. Hover your mouse over Manage, then select Uninstall from the submenu. Click Uninstall again to confirm the removal. Once the game is fully uninstalled, go ahead and install it again from your library. A fresh installation often resolves stubborn executable file errors that other methods can't fix. And that's it. You've successfully addressed the missing executable file error through multiple troubleshooting methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.